Hey everyone, welcome to learn the latest in tech news and AI trends. Today we're going to talk about something crucial for all aspiring YouTubers' niches. If you stick till the end, you will learn how to get easy monetization by avoiding shortcuts and wrong strategy. You might have seen a lot of channels promising quick and easy ways to make money on YouTube using shortcuts for monetization, but remember, the best way is the hard way. YouTube strictly checks for policy violations, and any attempt to game the system will be identified immediately, leading to your channel being banned or demonetized. If you're new to YouTube and want to grow your channel, you have come to the right place. We're here to give you a complete guide on the types of videos you should create and which niches you need to avoid. So before we get started, save this video for future references. First things first, what is a niche? In simple terms, a niche is a specialized segment of the market for a particular kind of product or service. For YouTube, this means focusing your content on a specific topic or audience. There are thousands of creators uploading videos every day. Having a clear niche helps you attract a dedicated audience who are interested in what you offer. Now, let's talk about some niches you should avoid if you're serious about getting monetized on YouTube. You've seen people talking about them as most popular and easy way to monetization, but trust me, do not try to use these. Here are 5 examples and the reasons why they're problematic. 1. Compilation videos. These are videos that compile clips from various sources, often without permission. YouTube is very strict about copyright issues, and using content you don't own or have permission to use can get your channel demonetized or even banned. Plus, compilation videos often lack original content, which is a key requirement for monetization. The best way is to get permission from the owner of the video. That was the Daily Dose of Internet has done. But to get there, you need to work seriously after getting permission. If you cannot do this, do not try to get into this niche. 2. Motivation videos. While these can be inspiring, but the market is oversaturated, making it hard to stand out. Additionally, many motivational videos use copyrighted speeches, music, or clips, leading to potential copyright strikes and issues with monetization. So in this niche, you have to create your own content in your own voice, buy ready a quote or inspirational story, giving full credit to author or source after getting permission. 3. Kids and cartoon videos. You have seen very popular kids cartoon channel on YouTube. Creating content for kids requires strict adherence to COPPA Children's Online Privacy Protection Act regulations. Violation of these rules can lead to heavy fines and demonetization. Moreover, YouTube has specific guidelines and restrictions for kids' content that can limit your earning potential. Especially when it comes to advertisements, there are certain limitations for ads placement on kids' channel. So trust me, the income is far more lower than you have imagined. 4. Music or meditation videos. These niches often involve using copyrighted music or sounds, which can lead to copyright claims and monetization issues. Many new YouTubers use free music from Audio Library and use it as a background music for nature videos. Even if you create original music, competing in this niche can be tough due to the high volume of content, so this is also a no-go area. 5. Movies channel. Channels that upload full movies or TV shows without proper licensing are in direct violation of YouTube's copyright policies. This can result in immediate takedowns, strikes, and demonetization. Even review or commentary channels need to be careful about fair use. You have seen thousands of subscribers on these channels, but they do not get monetized or created just to gain easy subscribers. Now that we've covered what to avoid, let's talk about some popular and profitable niches that can help you grow your channel and earn good money. 1. Tech reviews and tutorials. People love watching reviews of the latest gadgets and learning how to use them. With your enthusiasm for new technologies, this could be a perfect fit for you. So start a review channel. It will grow slow, but will last. If you do not believe me, check out the old videos of today's popular tech reviewers. 2. Personal finance and investment. Channels that provide tips on saving money, investing, and financial planning attract a dedicated audience interested in improving their financial health. So if you have any business idea, tell people about it. 3. Health and fitness. From workout routines to healthy eating tips, there's a huge audience looking for ways to improve their physical well-being. If you are a doctor or trainer, this is the best chance for you to grow. 4. Educational content. Whether it's learning a new language, understanding science concepts, or exploring history, educational channels are highly valued and often rewarded by YouTube's algorithm. 5. DIY and how-to videos. People love learning how to do things themselves, from home improvement projects to crafting. These videos can attract a lot of views and engagement. Try to break a few things in your house or try to repair something. People love to watch repairing stuff and stick to the video till the end. To wrap it up, while it's tempting to go for niches that seem popular, it's essential to consider the challenges and potential copyright issues. Focus on creating original, valuable content in niches that have a proven track record of success. Guys, let me tell you from my experience, there is no shortcut to success. Start from small baby steps, learn from your mistakes, and get genuine subscribers who would love to watch your videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and AI updates. See you in the next video.